Ryan with Lomanco Vents. This is our smokehouse demonstration. I'm going to show you the importance of intake and how different ridge vents compared to ours affect the airflow in the attic and can eliminate heat and moisture in the attic. I've got a theater smoke machine down here that's going to pump smoke into the attic, which represents heat and moisture, which eventually will cause mold and mildew and black mold in the attic. So right now, first I'm going to show you the importance of intake. I've got intake on this as well as exhaust here at the top. So right now my intake is closed because I'm going to show you the importance of intake. The vent that I've got on there right now is our Lomanco Omni Roll. That's the LOR 30-foot ridge vent. It's a gunnable product. You'll see it's got an external baffle here as well as internal baffles on the inside, which help with weather protection and also give the warm air out of the attic a nice flow out of the attic. You'll see with this baffle here, this product works so well that even with no intake, you're still going to see the air move out of the attic. So even with no intake, this product still moves heat and moisture out. But I've got smoke stuck in the soffit and in the ridge because I don't have intake. Now when I open up the intake, see how it takes a big gulp of air right here because of the intake. Give it intake over here. You can see it immediately starts clearing out. In the intake, as the air hits that baffle and pushes up and over, it creates a negative pressure inside the attic called the Bernoulli effect and literally pulls the heat and moisture up and out of the attic. Let's try a different type of ridge vent. This one here has no baffle and it has a filter. And most folks will know whose vent that is. I'm not going to say, but this one is not good. It's got no baffle and it's got a big filter on there on the inside. So you should see heat and moisture exiting the actual vent, right? We'll see what happens. Because there's no baffle and there's a filter, you don't see any smoke coming out of the actual vent on the roof. So now I've got smoke stuck in the ridge and down in the soffit. Black mold issues up here in the soffit, or in the soffit and in the ridge. As soon as we switch that and we'll put the Lomanco 30-foot roll back on, immediately clears out the soffit on both sides and pushes the heat and moisture up and out. That's pretty